Christmas Eve. I hope you're all doing very well today. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is NatalieJade. I post videos over here at least 3 times a week, but I also have a vlogging channel. So I've literally just woken up like 10 minutes ago. Today we've got so many things planned. We're going to make some cookies. We're going to hopefully do a little bit more decorating. I need to do some wrapping and things like that. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. But I hope you all enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a little comment in that comment section down below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And let's get started with today's video. I'm now downstairs. I've got my Christmassy PJs on. These are just my Minnie Mouse ones that we got last year for Christmas. They're just so cute, so I'm just going to wear these now. So I'm going to have some grapes and maybe a little bit of fruit, just something refreshing for my breakfast. I am going to be going out to do a little bit of last minute shopping, get a couple of Christmas cards, maybe some more wrapping paper, just make sure we are fully prepared for tomorrow, because we're actually going to my nana's tomorrow, which is really different. But yeah, I'm going to have a little bit of breakfast and then see what happens. So I've got the piggies a nice little Christmassy treat. I've got them some sprouts. I've got them some cucumber. Roxy, there you go. Cookie. Cookie. Let's throw some in there for her. She's not realised yet. But yeah, this is actually a bridge for them. But they always knock it over, so it's a nice little place to just put some food in there for them. I have just finished my breakfast. I'm going to get changed now. We're going to go out. We're going to go shopping, get a few bits. I don't think I'm even going to bother putting any makeup on today because, I don't know, I don't really feel like there's any need. And I feel like just a skincare kind of day. My skin's been really, really dry. So I put 3 layers of moisturiser on last night and it's really helped. But it's like here. And then like here and here. And then like right up here. It's been getting so it's because I've been just doing so much with my skin at the moment. So I might do a bit of a skincare routine later on, have a nice warm bath. But yeah, I'm going to get dressed and we're going to drive down. Apparently it's really, really busy on the roads today. So we might struggle with parking and just in general with traffic. But I'm going to set off and I'll take you guys with me. So I'm just about to set off to the shops. I'm driving down, like I said. The traffic is really, really bad apparently today. So I want to get down sooner rather than later. So I'm going to be going to Superdrug because I still need to get a couple of pieces for the family. I haven't got any Christmas cards yet at all, so I really, really need to go to some sort of card shop and try and pick some cards out. The problem was I hadn't been paid till like 2 days ago, so I literally had no money, so I couldn't have bought people things. Plus I've just not had the time. I've been working at the farm, I've been doing Vlogmas, I've tried to stream but I've pretty much failed at that this month. But yeah, I've just been so ridiculously busy. We're also going to go to HMV to pick up a CD and a couple of DVDs as well for the family, and I might even go to Home Baggage just in case there's some things there. I did actually buy a brand new Real Techniques brush and then it decided to snap the first time I got it out of the packet. Like I literally got it out of the packet yesterday thinking, oh, I'll use this in my makeup today, and as soon as I got it out of the packet it literally snapped in half. So I was so frustrated by that, so I might go buy another one today because I do need it really for my makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a wander around. I'll take you guys with me and we'll see what happens. It is quite cold and a little bit rainy, so I brought my yellow coat with me. I've been really, really into wearing hoodies at the moment. I don't know why. I think they're just cozy, they're just warm, and I'm not that fussed what I look like at the moment. I just want to wear something that's comfortable, and it's just a new place. I want to feel more like home. So yeah, I don't even know what we're doing for food today either. I literally woke up like 2 hours ago, so I woke up at like 10. I had some fruit. We'll probably just play it by ear and just see what happens really. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. So I've been to Superdrug, got a couple bits there. I've got some bits, some cards. They really didn't have many cards in, but it is Christmas Eve, so that's probably why I just left it a little bit last minute. We're now going to go down to Sainsbury's, get some things from there, some chocolates, some slippers maybe. I've still got a couple of people to buy for, but we've nearly got it all done. We have been out about 3 hours though, so spent a little bit too much time out, but it always happens, so it's fine. So we're going to head down there and then probably head back home. So we're in Sainsbury's, we've got some snacks for tomorrow, smoothie, some more bits, we've got some slippers for my nana, some flowers, so we're pretty much all sorted. So we're going to head to the checkout now, and we've got some wrapping paper and all the bits that we got earlier on. So I feel like we've got everything that we need, or everything that we're going to get. We did want to get some Christmas crackers with the little races inside, but we couldn't actually find any, so I'm pretty sure they're all sold out. We want to try to get a poinsettia, but again, couldn't find any, so I'm pretty sure they're all sold out too. Now finished all our shopping, we're gonna make our way back to the house, have some lunch because I am so hungry. So I'm gonna drive back and then I'll catch up with you all when we get back. We've just got back and the traffic wasn't actually as bad as we thought it was going to be, so we're going to have something to eat for lunch now because I'm so hungry. It's literally like 3 o'clock already, which is so crazy. I do need to get some wrapping done. I might do some of that on stream later on. I need to start editing this vlog for today. I'm going to try edit the vlog as we go along with the day because I'm vlogging today, but I need it to be up today as well, which isn't the most practical thing. But it's starting to get dark already as well, so we'll probably do the dogs in a couple of hours. But like I said, gonna get something to eat. I actually bought a smoothie in Sainsbury's, so I'm very excited to have that. I haven't had a smoothie in a little while, and they're one of my absolute favourite things ever, so I'm gonna have a smoothie. The dogs were really excited to see us as well. My dad's currently working on the electrics because some of the lights in the house are still out. We actually saw the guy that we bought the house off when we're out in town, and yeah, we just don't like him. He's not a very nice man. So yeah, we're gonna get some stuff done. We actually bought a Yule log as well, which I'm very excited about. This is the Yule log we bought. Looks so tasty, I'm so excited. So yeah, we're gonna get some things done, get some food, and I'll probably see you guys when I'm wrapping. we're going to do some baking. I'm going to bake some Christmas cookies for Christmas Day tomorrow. So we're going to do that now and I'll film all that for you guys. But yeah, I feel like I haven't baked in a while, so it'll be really, really nice. These are genuinely the best cookies on the planet. So I've got all the ingredients on the table. We've got our eggs, our butter, self-raising flour there. Then we've got the chocolate chips, but we also like to make our own chocolate chips out of the cabbage chocolate. And then we've got the baking powder, the cocoa powder, and the sugar too. I'm now just mixing it all together. I've put some of my egg in here and I'm just gonna stick the rest of it in there. The flour, the cocoa powder and the baking powder are all in here and they're all mixed nicely now. So I'm just gonna finish mixing this one, then I'm gonna mix them all together, stick the chocolate chips in, stick the dairy milk in, and then we're gonna stick it all in the tray. So it's a super fast recipe, but they taste so good. The best part about it is the dairy milk. You stick like big chunks in that, like probably double, maybe triple the size of the chocolate chips, and it's so good. I've baked some cookies. I've done a little bit of filming work for some other videos coming in the new year. That's on my hair and stuff. Has been done. I say been done, I just put some ponytails in and I did a bit of eyeshadow. That's about it, I'm not gonna lie. So I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, do not forget to smash that thumbs up button. I'm so tired now. I've got all my wrapping done. We've been shopping. I've baked some cookies, which I am so excited for. But I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, do not forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys have the best Christmas ever. I've loved Vlogmas so much. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you guys for being here. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!